So here in this particular video we are going to check how to get the transaction ID of the transactions which we have done in the wallets. So if you are in any kind of browser, like Chrome or Brave or something like that, you can see a symbol which is looks like this over here. If you press on that, the wallets will open up here, the wallet extensions which we have installed. That detailed installation video is been given in detailed installation instructions is been given in the other video which you could find in our YouTube channel. And if you press on the NAMI extension on this drop down, which open the NAMI wallet just like this, here you can see the balance and other things like that. So let's see how to get the transaction ID from here. Like if you press on the transactions which we have done over here, you can see the transactions when it is done and what and all not there. So all these transactions will be given one by one over here. And if you press on this particular drop down menu or drop down arrow here, it will show like this. This is like the transaction ID here, that is the transaction ID. If you press on the open here, this will open up in another tab that will be showing the transaction ID in the transaction ID in the blockchain.